All right, it's Monday morning, August the 18th, and wanted to hop in here for a quick market update before my day gets busy. We're here on the hourly chart for XRP, and what I'm hoping, a lot of trading involves hoping. What I'm hoping is that we've found the bottom here for XRP at around 294, 293. Just to show you what the fib level retrace for that would be. We've bounced so far perfectly off the 618 fib level retrace, but XRP does love to come down to the 702 or 786. So we could have still one more drop here, but I've started to take a little bit of a nibble for a new long. Just waiting to see how the rest of the market shakes up here. But yeah, things are looking good. Fairly a quiet weekend. There's a lot of debate and discussion around whether Bitcoin has put in its macro cycle top. That is certainly a possibility. Bitcoin came lower than the 618 here on its fib retrace, which historically Bitcoin always holds above or right at the 618 if it's bullish. And so we do have what looks to be the start of a potential downtrend. We will only know that once Bitcoin bounces back up to this area here. And if we roll over again, then I think it probably is a pretty good indicator that we do have a top on Bitcoin. That would be a little bit surprising just based on some other indicators that I've been looking at. So again, I don't rule out the fact that Bitcoin could still have some higher highs down the road. But I do think that regardless of what Bitcoin's going to do short or long term, that hopefully the altcoins here, the major altcoins, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, others are going to start really making their market expansion attempts. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Not really much else to say than, we've pretty much reset on the spot versus perpetual premium chart. We've gotten the leverage out of the system with those liquidations there that happened several days back. So, so far we're looking good. We do have a little bit of a bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Hopefully we won't put in a new RSI low here on the 1 hour chart. If you come down to the 15, we have even more obvious bullish divergence. But again, that's kind of a lagging indicator, and it's not necessarily something that we can really bank on as of yet. Obviously if we continue to move higher, then we can say that bullish divergence was confirmed. But there's a lot of times where XRP will exhibit both bullish and bearish divergences, and they really won't end up playing out. So just some things to keep in mind there. Everything else in the market is looking okay. Link continues to make its attempt at new highs. Bio is a coin that I've been looking at for a while. It's looking like it might have some promise in it. Here there might be a listing on that token. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm not going to be prolonged here, but everything's looking good. We just need to hold this recent low, or we might get one little further dip here to the 290 area. But hope everyone has a great day, a good start to our week. Let's hope that this week really does start to show signs of a bullish attempt at breakout here for XRP to new all-time highs. And yeah, we'll check in daily. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to this yet, that's a great way to do that so that you're updated on my daily updates. Sometimes I try to get these out in the morning. Other times, because of schedule, they don't come out till later in the day. So that's a great way to keep updated, and appreciate all the support. Hope everyone has a great week. See ya.